So, Ankit, as you have completed your Python for Network Engineers and CCNA DevNet training with us, it would be really great if you can tell us how you came to know about PyNet Labs and how was your overall experience.
It was a good experience, and when it comes to the knowing, how I got to know is I got to know through LinkedIn.
Is there anything else, Ankit, you wanted to mention?
No, I think apart from that, everything was good. Chirag was a good trainer. I think he was experienced enough to teach us, and he might be junior to us, he might be senior to us.
So, hi, Ankit, good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So, Ankit, as you have completed your Python for Network Engineers and CCNA DevNet training with us, it would be really great if you can tell us how you came to know about PyNet Labs and how was your overall experience in terms of training and materials.
Yeah, so it was a good experience, and when it comes to the knowing, how I got to know is I got to know through LinkedIn. So
Mhm.
that's where I'm quite active. So that's where I got to know, and it was in my plan always to go for CCNA DevNet, but I was not getting enough time to do that. And even during my classes, I might have missed last classes. But anyhow, I was ensured that I would be getting a videos for that. So yeah, and I have got the same. So yeah, so far my experience was very good.
Okay, so are you watching the recordings, the classes which you have missed?
Yeah, I'm watching those classes, but I'm not getting that much time actively because currently I'm working as well. But yeah, anyhow, I am ensured that since I have those video recordings, so I can always go back and check those.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. You are having lifetime access to that recordings. You can watch anytime, anywhere, either from your mobile or system. Anytime you can go through the same. And in case of any queries, you can ping us in the Telegram group. So there also you are having lifetime access. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So
All right.
that. Mhm.
Yeah, all right. So apart from this, how was the materials like study materials are enough, which Mr. Chirag has provided you?
Yeah, so I would say study material was good, and he have provided a PDF also of a book.
Mhm.
But since I love to read from hard books, so that's why I purchased my separate book. So yeah, if I want to add, I would say it would be great if you can give those hard copies instead
Hard
of
copy.
giving PDFs, because PDFs are not quite interactive, I would say. But
Mhm.
if when it comes to the books, right? Uh, from my personal experience, I would say that's a good thing to do. And even uh, PDFs would always lie into the computer someday. You're never going to check those. So if there is
Okay.
a book, definitely it's anyhow. If you will see it, definitely you'll try to read it, and also it gives some sense of achievement when you will see the number of books lying on your desk, even though you're reading it or not. But yeah, it
Absolutely.
would be a good add-on if you can provide those Scopress books.
Uh-huh.
It's not that costly, I would say. You can add that into your course charges and all. But
Curriculum.
yeah, I would say it would be a good if you can give those books.
Sure. So I'll share this feedback to the concerned team and we will definitely work on that. Most probably, as you have already purchased the same, so we will try that we can add this thing for our upcoming batch students. Yeah.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot for the same. Is there anything else, Ankit, you wanted to mention?
No, I think apart from that, everything was good. Chirag was a good trainer. Uh, I think he was experienced enough to teach us, and uh, he might be junior to us, he might be senior to us, but the way he was teaching to us, it was perfect. So he was confident enough, and definitely in front of him, we were not that much experience in field of DevNet, because DevNet is a very new thing,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
definitely he has more experience than us, of all the people who were in that training. So the way he was teaching in the way that he's teaching to someone who doesn't know uh, basics of Python, you can say, and basics of networking as well. So I would
Okay.
say it was he was a good guy, and the way he was teaching, uh, it was perfect. Means that's how the CCNA should be taught.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, Ankit, for your kind words. I'll definitely share this feedback to him also. Also, this is what we are majorly focus is on the CCNA DevNet, that everyone should learn the basics of Python and then automation so that they can at least create their base of DevNet, and then they can jump for Dev Core and DevNet Expert, the further levels of DevNet. Yeah. So yeah, thanks a
Yeah,
lot for the same. Yeah, all right. So
yeah, no
all the
worries,
very
Nitish.
best, and I hope this training will definitely help you in your career. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. And once I will complete the CCNA revision back. I might go for CCNP and CCIs, but not now. But yeah, definitely in the future. But
Yeah.
yeah,
Absolutely.
once again, I might be choosing PyNet Labs. So yeah,
Perfect.
that's
Thanks a lot. Yeah, we will be more than happy to have you. All the very best for the same. Yeah. Thank
thank you
you.
so
Thank
much,
you.
Nitish.
Most welcome. Yeah. Bye bye. Thanks for your time. Bye.
Bye.